So hey YouTube, in the previous video we looked at HTML mode in Emacs text editor. Now I'm going to show you emmet mode, which is a package we can install in the emmet or in the Emacs text editor. So to install that, I'm going to do Alt-X and then just package list packages. And that's going to go out and refresh all the packages, including the packages from Elpa and Melpa. Okay. And it's going to take a moment, and once we do that, we can install emmet mode. Okay, the package refresh is done, so I'm going to do Alt-X package install, and I'm going to install emmet mode. Okay, and we've got emmet mode installed, so now let's create an HTML file. Let's call this test.html, and I'm going to do Alt-X and turn on emmet mode. Okay, so emmet mode is now enabled in the current buffer. So what I'm going to do is an exclamation point and then do ctrl-j, and that's going to expand out a bunch of HTML code, including the doc type declaration, the HTML opening and closing tags, and the meta character set tag, and the title tag. Okay, if I want to go up here and do meta:\vp and ctrl-j, that expands the meta viewport tag. Okay. All right, so what else can I do here? I can do a bunch of shortcuts. So let's say I want a div with a class of container, and then inside the div I want 4 sections, and each section has an h2 plus a paragraph. All right, if I do Control-J, look at that. It expands and creates all that code for me so I can quickly generate code with the Emacs text editor and quickly create my document. It's pretty sweet. So this is emmet mode. You install it via Melpa. That's pretty much it. You can go ahead and use your emmet shortcuts. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.